Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to PrepFusion. So another day and another roadmap. This time we are going to discuss GATE 2027 EC and electrical branch 150 days roadmap. Day-wise plan we are going to discuss. If you are starting right from zero, then this video will be helpful for you. Sir, I have never prepared for GATE examination. I am currently at level 0. I need to prepare in 150 days. Sir, how do I prepare? What I can target? How much I need to study? Everything we are going to discuss. Secondly, one query I will receive in the comment section that sir, I have I have been already following your previous roadmap. Sir, you have made a 200 days roadmap as well. You have made a 6 months roadmap as well. So sir, I have been already studying. I started my preparation from July month or August month, or sir, I started my preparation 1 year back. Do I need to follow this particular roadmap? No. If you are following the previous roadmaps, then it's up to you. You don't need to follow this particular roadmap. You are already studying. Okay. You can watch this video. You can get something productive out of it. But whatever the plan that you are already following, just proceed with that plan only. This is a new plan. This is for new students, those students who are starting right from zero for next 150 days, how they can prepare, how they can get a best out of their GATE attempts, that we are going to discuss. So branch wise we will discuss, but first we will see some general points that what is the minimum requirement that you need to fulfill if you are starting right from zero. So if you want to do well in GATE 2027 and starting right from zero, then at least you need to study 8 to 10 hours per day. This is the minimum requirement. Now in the comment section I may receive some queries like sir, I am a college going student, I am a job going student, sir, 8 to 10 hours I will 8 to 10 hours sir, I will go to college, or I will be having my job in 8 to 10 hours. Then sir, 7 to 8 hours I need to sleep as well. Then sir, how do I manage 8 to 10 hours? It is not manageable then. If you are a college going student, you are currently in 4th year, what you are doing for last 3 years? In the last 3 years as well, you could have prepared for GATE examination. No, what you were doing? You were exploring the college life. What did you explore? What did you learn? Look, I'm not putting any taunt here. I'm just telling that you are lagging behind as of now. If you are a college going student or you are a job going student who is currently at level 0, I don't even know E of electronics, I don't even know E of electrical engineering, and you are thinking that sir, in 150 days I will be able to clear everything, and I am not even able to study 8 to 10 hours. Sir, 3 to 4 hours I will study, and in 150 days sir, I will be able to clear everything. Then it is not possible. That's the bottom line. Okay, 8 to 10 hours is the minimum effective study requirement. Now if you are in 4th year, then you might be getting good enough time, because in 4th year there are very less core subjects. So yes, you might be getting good enough time. If you can manage 8 to 10 hours starting right from zero, then only you can think of GATE 2027 attempt. Otherwise think of GATE 2028 attempt. If you are a job going student, you will have to go to the job for 8 to 10 hours. There is nothing you can do about it. Then I would recommend that think of GATE 2028. Okay. In a comprehensive way, in the best possible way, starting right from zero, you can prepare for GATE 2028. If you just rush in for GATE 2027, then you would be struggling. That's the bottom line. If you are someone in 3rd year, then you should be thinking of your 4th year attempt. If you are starting right from zero today, then you should be thinking of your 4th year attempt, because whatever the output that you are going to get from the 3rd year attempt, the same output you will get from 4th year attempt as well. Then what do I mean to say is that you should be thinking of the longer run. No, if you have the time, then why you are pushing yourself for GATE 127? If you push yourself for GATE 127, you will be messing up your preparation, and then this 5 to 6 months of time, whatever the 150 days that we are having, you will be just wasting those 150 days. So my recommendation would be, if you are someone in 3rd year, think of GATE 2028 attempt. If you are someone in 4th year and you feel like that, sir, I will not be able to study 8 to 10 hours per day, I'm starting right from zero, then I would say think of GATE 2028 only. You will have to go for the drop year. That's the bottom line. That's the sad reality. If you are at level 0, I have done 1 subject, 2 subject, then it is a separate thing. But if you are at level 0, then that's the sad reality, that within 150 days, starting right from zero, if you cannot manage 8 to 10 hours, you are studying only 3 to 4 hours only, then it is not possible to get a good rank. I hope it is understandable to you. Okay. Social media detox is necessary as of now. Look, I have never been that mentor who would say that you should not be using Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, or whatever it is. But in those 150 days, again, starting right from zero, you should be avoiding every social media app. The point is your concentration. Nowadays, we scroll too much of reels, too much of short content. Within 1 minute, we need everything. If someone is not able to satisfy our conditions in 60 seconds or 30 seconds, then we will scroll down. This is what we are habitual of, because of the short content, because of the 30-second, 60-second content. But this is not how your studies would work. This is not how you can prepare for a competitive examination. At least you need to have a sitting of 2 to 3 hours, then only you can think of doing well in the competitive examination. If you cannot sit for 2 to 3 hours, if you cannot put your concentration for 2 to 3 hours, then there is no way you can prepare for competitive examination. That's why I am asking you to avoid any kind of short content, whether it is Instagram reels or YouTube shorts or anything. So yes, complete social media detox is necessary as of now. Next, health should be the priority. As of now, I don't want to hear that, sir, my health was not fine, that's why my last 10 days got wasted and I could not study. This happens, no? Sir, health was not fine, 10 days wasted, I could not study at all. As of now, there is a flu in North India as well. I'm also affected by that flu, actually. Okay, so take care of your health. Otherwise, your days would be wasted and you will be lagging behind. So I would recommend eat healthy food. Okay, if you are eating healthy food, then it would be better for you. Understandable? Minimum 7 hours of sleep. Never ever compromise with the sleep. Okay, no matter how much do you sleep, if you feel like that, sir, after 8 hours of sleep I will be productive, then sleep for 8 hours. After 9 hours of sleep I will be productive, then sleep for 9 hours. Other things you can avoid, no? Instagram shorts or going out with friends. I'm not saying that don't go out with friends at all, but you can reduce that time. Every day you don't need to spend 2 hours with your friend sitting on a bike. All these things you don't need to do as of now. I'm not saying that you should avoid it in your life. Absolutely, it is necessary. But as of now, for next 150 days, you can avoid it or reduce that time. If you are going out for 2 hours, then reduce it to 30 minutes. So there you can utilize your timing. Don't compromise with the sleep. You need to sleep 7 hours minimum, I would say. If you feel like that, sir, 8 hours I require, 9 hours I require, it's up to you. Okay. Next, you need to drop the habit of watching movies or series, because that would put pressure on your brain. I'm not saying that you should be avoiding the hobby. Whatever the hobby that you are having, sir, I like to play guitar, I like to play cricket, hockey, football, whatever the hobby that you are having, you should surely pursue that. If you are going to the gym, then you should surely go there. 8 hours of sleep, 1-2 hours of gym and some extra activity, whatever it is, still you will be left with 12 hours, right? Then 8 to 10 hours of study you can surely get. So I'm not saying that you should be avoiding your hobbies, but I'm saying you should be doing those things which will put less pressure on you. If you are watching movies and series, then they are very addictive, no? Today you watch part 1, then you will be watching part 2, season 1, season 2, so it will be completely addictive. You will keep on watching those content, you will just be addicted that particular content, right? You will just be addicted with that particular content. That I don't want. So even if you like watching movies or series, as of now, for next 150 days you need to stop it. Is that understandable to you or not? So are these minimum requirements clear or not? That effective studies, social media detox, health should be the priority, minimum 7 hours of sleep is required, and you need to drop the habit of watching movies or series. If you are addicted to it, you need to do those things where you put less pressure on your brain. The pressure would be put only in the studies. That's it. Okay, so these are the minimum requirement for the next 150 days. If you are able to fulfill these requirements, then only you can think of preparing right from zero. Okay, again and again I am saying one thing, right from zero. This is for those guys who are starting right from zero. These are the requirements for the guys who are starting right from the zero, because we are not having enough time, and whatever the time that we are having, we need to utilize that. Now, what I should aim, what target I should keep. Realistic target we need to keep. Unrealistic target we can never keep. What would be the unrealistic targets? That, sir, I will be getting 65 plus marks. I'm talking about EC and electrical. Okay, EC and electrical, because generally you would see that in EC and electrical they would set up a moderate to tough question paper. So no matter, like, if you pick up the previous year, last 5 years question paper, last 5 year question paper, you would see that if someone is getting 65 plus marks in EC or electrical, then he would be getting roughly around under 300 rank. In some cases, people have got under 50 rank as well in 65 marks. So usually they set up moderate to tough question paper only. So in our domain, in our branches, 65 plus marks is not an easy thing. It is not a cakewalk. Those who are preparing sincerely for 1 year or 1.5 years, they will be able to get these many marks. So unrealistic target, we will not keep that. We will get 65 plus marks or under 300 rank, or a score around 800 or 850. That is not achievable as of now. It is a harsh truth, whether you agree or not. Okay. So this is the unrealistic target that we cannot keep. That 65 plus marks I will be getting. Now you might be giving me some example that, sir, one of my senior prepared only for 3-4 months. He used to study only 2-3 hours, and then, sir, he got 850 score. You are giving me one example. I can show you 1,000 examples like this who did not get anything. There would be a guy who prepared for 150 days, 4 hours only he used to study, and he ended up getting 400 score. These kind of n number of example I can show. Yes, you can give me one example. Who knows that senior is very talented? And you don't even know about that guy. No, who knows that guy was preparing for 1 or 2 years? He was not telling. He only told about those last 3-4 months. He did not want to tell about those 1-2 years that he has spent. You know nothing about them. No, who knows his IQ is very good. Whatever the content that you acquire in 1 hour, he can acquire that particular content in 10 minutes only. He can study that particular content in 10 minutes only. That means he is 5 times more effective than you. Right? So if that guy is studying for 1 hour, you need to study for 6 hours. Are you able to understand this point? So you cannot compare anyone with anyone. Right? There would be 1-2 example, but I can show you a lot of examples. So these things that I have put for an average student, If you are above average, then I don't know. You might be above average, but believe me guys, if you are watching this video, then you are not above average. Okay? You are that guy only who needs to put up a decent amount of hard work to get something good in your life. Okay? So yes, again, targeting 850 score or targeting a seat in MTech VLSI. I'm talking about MTech, not MS. Okay? MTech. MTech means 2 years of course. MS means 2.5 year, 2.5 year of course. Okay? So both are separate thing. So I'm talking about MTech in VLSI in top 7 IITs. You would require a score around 800 to 850 if you are someone from general category. So this much score you would require, which is not realistic as of now. Then sir, why we are preparing then? If it is not realistic, then why we are preparing? You can target 55 to 60 marks, no? This much marks you can target. Roughly around 50 marks you can target if you are starting right from zero. And if you get these many score, if you get these many marks, then your score would be around 650 to 700. Your score being around 650 to 700, your rank would be roughly around 500 to 800, or worst case 1000 rank you would be having. Now with these rank as well, I can show you n number of examples who have done great in their life. Okay, they have done remarkable things in their life with this much of score. If you get 650 to 700 score, then you can get a good NIT or a good IIT VLSI related branch you can get, and there you can make good profile and you can get a good placement. If you want to go for MS, then in top 7 IIT you can get the MS course as well. You need to give your interview well and you will be able to do well. So there are n number of example who has done well with these many marks, with this score. A lot of example are there with this is the rank. With this score, a lot of example are there who has done pretty well in their life. So this is something that we are preparing for. So this is our realistic target, that sir, we will try to get the best possible score. With that particular score, we will get into some IIT or NIT in MS or MTech, and then sir, in those 2 years, in our masters, in those 2 or 2.5 years, we will perform well and we will get a good placement out of our college. This is the realistic thing that we are targeting. And as of now, sir, in the GATE examination, I will target 55 marks and a score around 650 to 700. This is the realistic target that I am setting up, and a rank around 700 to 1000. This much of rank I am targeting. This is the realistic target that you can keep. This is unrealistic. Those who are preparing for 1 year or 1.5 years, they can surely fall into this, but these are the realistic target. If you target this particular thing, no, then you will not even achieve this one. So target this thing and work on it and try to achieve this. Unrealistically, if you run behind 65 marks, that means you will be doing syllabus and all, and you will not be practicing at all. You will not be revising, and eventually you are targeting 65 marks, you will end up getting 20 marks in the examination. This will happen. Here you target 55 to 60 marks. In the worst case, if we are getting 50 marks, then we can still do something well. Because GATE examination will be done in February, right? In Feb, your GATE examination will be done. When do you take the admission? You take the admission in August. Just now admissions are done, right? So between Feb to August, there will be a lot of other opportunities as well. Feb, your examination is done. August, admission is taking place. So between Feb to August, there are 5 months. What we are doing in those 5 months? There will be some other opportunities. If you are preparing sincerely, then those opportunities would come. You will be able to grab those opportunities as well. So as of now, only target would be that our next 150 days, I will put up my level best. After that, I will see whatever that happens, and I will be surely able to get something good in 2027. Whether it is GATE 2027, it could be BITS 2027, it could be some other examination 2027, something good I will be able to get in 2027, in the year 2027. That is my target. As of now, the path in front of me is GATE examination. As of now, I am preparing for GATE examination for the next 150 days. Is that clear or not? Completely clear, sir. So these were the things that I was discussing for both EC and electrical. Now we are going to see the roadmap. For GATE 2027 EC branch, we are going to see the roadmap. In 4 parts, we are going to divide it. In 4 phases, we are going to divide it. 60 days, 40 days, 30 days, 20 days. What you need to do, how you need to proceed, that I will tell you. But I need to pause the video. I will take a break and then I will come back and we will discuss that. Okay. So GATE 2027 EC roadmap we are going to discuss after a break. Yeah, so let's discuss the GATE 2027 EC roadmap for next 150 days. 4 phases we would be having: 60 days, 40 days, 30 days, 20 days, and everything we will discuss. How you need to watch the videos, how you need to revise, and everything we will discuss. So let's get started. In the first 60 days, what you will do? You will pick up 3 subjects: EDC, Engineering Mathematics, and Digital Electronics. Our target would be that in first 60 days, we need to complete these 3 subjects. What we will get started with? Initially, we will start with EDC and Engineering Mathematics. So initially, we will start with EDC and Engineering Mathematics. Sir, where are the video lectures? Here are the video lectures. Complete course, fully comprehensive course is available on YouTube. EDC and Engineering Mathematics. You can start studying from here. What we will do? 3 hours to each subject. 3 hours to EDC, 3 hours to Mathematics daily. Okay. When I say 3 hours means 3 hours of content you need to watch. It may take you 3.5 hours. It may take you 4 hours. 3 hours of content you need to watch. Sir, notes you will get printable notes. Here in this video I will share that you can get the printable notes. Where you can find the printable notes, that also we will tell. Where you can find it? You can find in the Telegram group. You go to our Telegram group, which is PrepFusion. Simply go to Telegram and type PrepFusion, or the link will be there in the description box. Simply you type it, and in the file section, go to the Telegram group, and in the file section you type EDC notes or electronic devices notes. You will get the full notes. Here you will type Engineering Mathematics full notes. You will get the Mathematics full notes as well. So complete notes are available in our Telegram group. On our website as well, it is available. You can go to our website prepfusion.in. There also the notes are available. Everything is available for free. Okay. So complete printable notes are there. What do you mean by printable notes? So I have the printable notes. So these are the printable notes. Okay. These are the printable notes. Like print out, black and white background is there. So everything is written here neatly. Everything is clearly written. Okay, so you don't need to make your own notes. You can study with the printable notes. Now, sir, how to study with the printable notes? This is the first time I am studying with the printable notes, sir. I don't know how to study with it. So what you can do is that you can go to YouTube and type how to study with the printable notes. You will get a video from my side. Okay. Not as of now. Once this video is completed. So as of now, what you can do is that you can write down in a notebook that I will watch this video, how to study with printable notes. So you will get that video and you can watch that video and you will understand how you can study with the printable notes. Understandable? Yeah. So these 2 subjects we will pick up. Once a chapter is done, first chapter of mathematics is linear algebra and first chapter of EDC is basic semiconductor physics. So once the chapter is done, after that you will solve the PYQs. Okay. Chapter wise PYQs you are going to solve in EDC as well, in the mathematics as well. Now what will happen is that after roughly around 30 days, your EDC will be completed. Your EDC will be done. But your engineering mathematics would be remaining. Half of engineering mathematics will be done. Half of maths will be done. Now, sir, EDC is done. So once EDC is done, you will get started with digital electronics. You started your preparation with EDC and maths. Roughly around after 30 days, your EDC would be completely done and half of maths will be done. So maths will continue. In place of EDC, you will start studying digital electronics. So this is how you need to proceed in your plan. After 60 days, what will be our target? That we will be done with the full video lectures and PYQs of your own branch. What is our branch? EC. So we will be done with the PYQs of EC. Ideally, when you are studying digital electronics, no, so you should solve the PYQs of EC as well. You should solve the PYQs of electrical as well. You should solve the PYQs of instrumentation as well. This is the ideal plan, but as of now, we are not having much time. So you will only solve the PYQs of EC. Same with engineering mathematics. That you will solve the PYQs of your own branch only. Here as well, this is common. This is not common in EC. This is not common in electrical and instrumentation. So here you will only get the PYQs of EC only. So of your own branch, which is EC. So you will be done with the PYQs of EC in digital electronics, EDC and mathematics. This will be our target. And we will be able to revise the notes once. One time we will revise the notes. At least one time we will revise the notes. This will be our target of next 60 days. Now everything will not be done. This is the best possible plan. Now it might happen that, sir, I am not able to revise the notes. It might happen that, sir, some PYQs are still left. So that we will do in the next phase. This is the first phase. Our target is we will complete EDC, Engineering Mathematics, Digital Electronics with the complete video lectures and PYQs and the revision of the notes. This is our target, but we will not be able to do it. So what we will do is that we will do it in the next phase. Okay. And sir, from where I can practice the PYQ? So complete free PYQ website is also given, pyq.prepfusion.in. So this website is there. I will put the link in the description box as well. So you can go to this website and every PYQ is completely available for free. All the PYQs are available completely for free with the best possible solution. Okay. Next, in the next 40 days, what we will do? So in the next 40 days, two subjects we are going to pick up, which are signals and systems and network analysis. Full comprehensive course we will do, and both of them we will start in parallel. In parallel, we will start signals and network analysis. In 40 days, we will be able to do it completely with the revision and the PYQs as well. Revision and the PYQs. So both in parallel we will start, give 3 hours to each. But when you are solving the PYQs, there is a special note for both network and signals. So in network, there are two parts, DC part and AC part. Okay. In DC part, there are 3 chapters. And in AC part, there are roughly around 3 chapters here as well. So in the previous subject, what we were doing? Here what we were doing? Sir, 1 chapter is done, PYQs. 2nd chapter is done, PYQs. 3rd chapter is done, PYQs. But here what you will do? Once this whole 3 chapters are done, no? After that you will solve the PYQs of these 3 chapters. Once these 3 chapters are done, what you have done is that, sir, I have completely watched the video lecture, I have revised the notes, now I will solve the PYQs. Similarly, once these 3 chapters are done, after that you will solve the PYQs. So here AC and DC part we will solve separately. First we will cover the DC part, we will watch the video lecture and we will revise the notes, and after that we will solve the PYQs of DC part. Similarly, in the AC part, first we will cover the lectures and then we will solve the PYQs. This will be our plan. Understandable? In signal system, what is the scenario? In signals and systems, the scenario is like this. Here also there are 2 parts, continuous time signal and discrete time signal. So this is actually pretty lengthy and this is very small. So like this will be of roughly around 90 hours, this will be of roughly around 30 hours. This is the scenario. So what we will do is that once this continuous part is done, which is Laplace transform. There is a chapter called Laplace transform. So once this Laplace transform is done, after that we will solve the PYQs of all the continuous time part. And then after that we will cover the discrete time part and we will solve all the PYQs of discrete time part. Like if you talk about the whole signal system, then 90% of the questions have come from here and 10% of the questions have come from here. And in signal system, the important part is that from the first thing to last thing, everything is interrelated. From first to last, everything is interrelated. So what we will do is that first we will cover the whole theory part here and then we will solve the PYQ. Now here there might be a doubt. What will be the doubt? That sir, here there will be too much of theory, no? Like we will cover 3 chapters. After that we will solve the PYQs. Here also, sir, we will cover 5 chapters. Then we will solve the PYQ. That means, sir, problem solving will be less here. So in that time, what you will do is that you will solve the PYQs of these previous subjects, engineering mathematics, electronic devices. Some PYQs will be left, no? And let's just say, sir, I have completed the PYQ. In the 60 days plan only, sir, I have completed PYQs and everything. Now, sir, what do? You start attempting the test series. What you start attempting? You start attempting the get started with the test series of the previous completed subject. Let's just say, sir, I am currently studying signals and system. I am currently studying network analysis. But, sir, EDC I have completed. I have completed EDC. I have solved the PYQs as well. Sir, I am completely comfortable with EDC. Now, what do, sir? You get started with the test series of EDC. Sir, I am completely comfortable with engineering mathematics. What do? Get started with the test series of engineering mathematics. I am completely comfortable with digital electronics. Get started with the test series. So, in these 40 days, it's not that you will only study network and signals. The important part is you need to take care of the completed subject as well, because this is the thing where a lot of aspirants would struggle. They will complete network, they will complete signal, they will complete mathematics, they will complete EDC, they will complete digital electronics, but they will forget one thing, which is revision. They will not solve the PYQs of the previous completed subject. They will not solve the test series. They will not revise the notes. You need to complete the video lecture. After that, you need to revise the notes. You need to solve the PYQs. Once everything is done, you are moving to the new subject. Then for the previous subject, you will keep on writing down the test series. You will keep on solving the PYQs. You will keep on revising the notes. So this is how we need to proceed. It's not that, sir, I will complete the syllabus by December, then I will do the revision. Baseless strategy. Revision should be going in parallel only. Once completed all the subject and then I revise, baseless strategy, it doesn't work. Parallelly, everything would go on. Is that understandable to you? So after 100 days, what you will be expecting? That, sir, I am done with engineering mathematics, EDC, digital electronics. Sir, all these three subjects I have completed the video lectures, I have solved the PYQs, and sir, some test series I have already given. Now currently, sir, network analysis and signal system video lectures are done. As of now, I am solving the PYQs, I am revising the notes, and this process is going on. Now in the third phase, what will be the third phase? Next 30 days. In those 30 days, I have kept very less subject. This pressure is very less. General aptitude, control system, easy subject, not very high pressure. Okay, scoring subjects, you can surely do them in 30 days. Along with that, there will be some backlog as well. Here, some PYQs are left, some video lectures are left, some test series is left. So all these things you will be covering here. So both subjects you will start in parallel. You will solve the PYQs. Along with that, you will be solving the PYQs of the previous subjects. You will revise the previous subject and you will solve the test series of the previous subject. Is that understandable to you? And from mid of January, you will get started with the full length test as well. From mid of January, from 15th of January, roughly around 15th of January, you will get started with the full length test as well. Sir, I am not done with the syllabus, sir. I have only done 5 subjects, 6 subjects. Still, you need to get started with the full length test. Okay, you need to see how you are performing with the completed subject from 100 marks. I know you have not completed the syllabus, but still you need to see that out of 100, how much marks I am able to score. So from the mid of January, we will get started with that test series, not before that. Okay, some people will be starting the test series in December month only. Some will be starting in November. Some will be even starting in October as well. You need to start from mid of January. Is that understandable to you? I started from 1st January onwards. I ended up getting 27 rank in GATE examination from 1st January onwards. So best case should be 1st January onwards. Worst case should be mid of January. Those who starts in December, November, I don't know what they think, but it is not advisable to start so much early on. Because when you write down the full length test, you write down with the exam hall temperament, that in the examination hall, how I would be attempting this question paper, how much marks I would be getting. So that temperament you will be able to build up by mid of January only. Because here you will be writing a lot of test series, no? Topic wise test series you will write down, EDC, signal system, network analysis, digital electronics. So a lot of topic wise test series you will write down. So you will slowly build up the temperament, and eventually till the mid of January you will have a good enough temperament of writing down the full length test. So that there is a process of everything, right? It's not that randomly we start full length test. No, it doesn't happen like that. Okay, and along with that you will clear all the backlogs. If some video lectures are left, some PYQs are left, some revision is left, so everything you will cover. So after 130 days, what is our target? After 130 days, we will be done with 7 comprehensive subject. What are our 7 comprehensive subject? Engineering mathematics, EDC, digital electronics, network analysis, signals and systems, general aptitude and control system. These 7 comprehensive subjects we will be done with by next 130 days. Is that clear to you or not? Roughly around 4.5 months. After roughly around 4.5 months, you should be saying that, sir, 7 subjects are comprehensively done. And these 7 subjects combined will be coming for roughly around 70 marks. Whatever the 7 subjects we have covered, no, they will be coming for roughly around 70 marks. Out of these 70 marks, surely if you have covered them in a comprehensive way, you can surely target 70% of marks. So what is the 70% of 70? That will be 49 marks. So surely you can target 49 marks from here. Is that understandable to you or not? So after 130 days, when you write down the first full length test, your target would be that, sir, I should be able to get roughly around 45 to 50 marks. Is that understandable to you or not? From those 70 marks that I have covered. Okay, so this is the plan for next 130 days. Now, sir, 3 subjects are left: NLO, EMFT and communication. What do I do? Here I have written important topics. For these 3 subjects combined will come for roughly around 30 marks. These 3 subjects combined will be for roughly around 30 marks. Okay. To cover these 3 subjects, no, you would require roughly around 3 months comprehensively. That means you would require roughly around 90 days. You are having 20 days. So in 20 days, what we will do? Only the important topics we will do. Only the important topics. That, sir, these are the topics from where every year questions are coming. Every year they are asking questions from here. So those important topics we will do. And from those 30 marks, surely we can target 10 marks. Last year only I uploaded some videos on analog as well, EMFT as well, communication as well. You would see those videos. Those videos were roughly around 30 hours of content only, and from that 30 hours of content, more than 50 marks, 15 marks of question came from this content only. So I will analyze the question paper of previous year. I will see that these are the important topics. I will pick up those important topics and I will make one shot videos for you. And those videos may help you. In the worst case, it will help you getting roughly around 10 marks. That much we can target. So 10 from here, 49 from here, surely roughly around 55 to 60 marks we can target. But again, all these things are happening on paper. As of now, we are feeling very good, but you need to put up the hard work. For next 150 days, complete hard work for 8 to 10 hours you need to put up, and surely this much marks you can target for sure. Is that understandable to you or not? And in those 20 days, what we will do is that we will keep on revising the previous subjects, we will keep on writing on the full length mock, and we will keep on covering the important topics. Now someone would say that, sir, examination is in February. No, so from December onwards you should not be learning new things. That is absolutely baseless. Okay, even if someone is preparing for 2 years, no, even if someone is preparing for 2 years for GATE examination, he should be learning the things in January month as well. Learning never stops. I don't know what is this kind of strategy that till December you will complete the syllabus, then you will revise. If you keep on covering the syllabus till December, no, then in January you will pick up the notes and you will see, sir, I don't even know what I have written. I have forgot everything. Learning will always keep on going. Along with that, revision should also go on. If I have completed network analysis, if I have completed signal system, if I have completed EDC, then I should have the confidence that, sir, I am able to solve the question. It's not that, sir, in December I will revise, in January I will revise, and then, sir, you give me question, I will be able to solve. Baseless strategy. This is not how you prepare for a competitive examination. People will say till November you complete the syllabus, then in December, January you should not be learning anything new, you revise the previous subject. You studied a particular subject in March, you are revising it in December, you will not remember a single thing. Then what you will do, you will keep on watching the crash courses one shot, and eventually you will mess up your preparation. So preparation should go on in a way that whatever that I am covering, I need to recall that part, I need to revise that particular part. This is how you should be covering the syllabus. This is how you should be preparing for a competitive examination. Your concern should not be that, sir, how much I need to cover. No, your concern should be whatever that I have covered, have I covered it in a good way? Am I able to solve all the question? That should be your concern. If you are able to answer, yes, sir, whatever that I have covered, I am able to solve 70% of the questions from that, then yes, you are doing very well. There will be 5,000 students who will cover the full syllabus and they will end up getting less than 25 marks. There would be roughly around 5,000 students who will cover the full GATE syllabus, but still they would end up getting less than 25 marks because there was no revision. They did not know how to prepare for GATE examination. They did not revise. They completed the syllabus. Then in the end, just for 10-20 days, they revised. They knew that they have messed up the class notes. They don't remember anything, and eventually they got very less marks. From March month onwards, I am just telling the same thing. I have made so many of videos that keep on revising, because in November, December, you will get into the panic situation if you are not revising as of now. So yes, learning would go on along with the revision. Is that understandable to you or not? So this is how you need to prepare for our GATE examination. So this was our phases that I have told. Starting from here, 60 days EDC, engineering mathematics, how you would prepare, how you would solve the PYQs, everything I have told. Complete video lectures are available. PYQs are available. Network analysis course is also available on YouTube for free. Signal system is not completely available for free. Some of the content is available, some of the content is there in the paid course. Same goes with general aptitude is completely available for free. Control system this year I will be teaching, but it will not be completely available for free on YouTube. Some content will be available, but not everything. Same goes with these subjects as well. EMFT is completely available for free. Communication is not available. Analog electronics is also not available on YouTube. In paid courses, everything is there. Okay. Sir, why you are providing these courses for free then? Then you would understand, no, how he is teaching, right? Whether he is teaching good or not, whether I should follow him or not, right? So you study from here, you study in mathematics from here, then you would realize that what kind of depth we are covering. And if you feel like coming to our paid courses, then you can come. This is our Titans batch, GATE 107 EC. So validity of this course is till 30th of June. Okay. Sir, my examination will be done in January. My examination will be done in February only. Sir, why you are giving the validity till 30th of June? Because till this time your admission would be done, no? Right? After the GATE examination, there will be a lot of other opportunities as well. There will be counseling as well. There will be a lot of interviews schedule will be also there. So a lot of things are there. So for that we will be available. So this is the Titans batch. All the video lectures are there. Notes you will get, these printable notes I have shown. Along with that you will get the slides as well, like with the black background. This is with the white background, right? So with the black background, with this background, you will also get the notes, PYQs and their solution also you will be getting. Doubt solving group also you will be getting. So when we talk about doubt solving, it is not just a feature, it is the actual doubt solving. This is how I personally cleared the doubt. Okay, if someone is posting the doubt, so this is how you can see the voice note, 5 minutes or 5 minutes 44 seconds, 2 minutes 43 seconds. So this is how we personally clear all the doubts. Okay, so personalized doubt solving is there. You will be added to our Titans batch group. There you can post that out and I will be clearing that out. Okay, along with that there is bi-weekly one-to-one mentorship is there. When we talk about mentorship, so complete mentorship is there without any fail. After every second week we come and take up your non-technical doubts. So here all the guys will be joining and they will be raising their hand. Once their turn would come up and they will talk to us. I would be there, Anish sir would also be there. Both will be there and we will be taking up your doubts. Non-technical doubt like sir, this much I have done, I need to solve the PYQ. So session would go on roughly around for 5 hours. So when we are saying that these are the features, that means we mean it. Because I have seen at every places these things will be written, doubt solving, mentorship, but eventually there is no doubt solving, eventually there is no mentorship. But when I am writing down this thing, that means I am providing this feature with rigorous effort. Okay, all the doubts we take up, all the non-technical doubts we talk about your preparation as well. Personally you can ask me doubt that sir, as of now I am done with these 2 subjects, and what next subject I should pick up, sir, I am not able to solve the PYQs, how to solve the PYQs. So all those things we discuss here. Okay, and after that post gate guidance will also be there. Once your gate examination is done, after that what you need to do, sir, I'm getting interview call in ISC, so how do I prepare for that, what all content I need to refer, will you be teaching for interview? So everything we teach, okay, for interview and everything will be available. Along with that we have VLSI placement courses as well, so those courses will also be available. Along with that there are test series as well with video solutions. Quality problems will be there with the video solutions. A lot of good questions are there. Personally we have framed and personally we have made the video solution. So test series also you will be getting. So everything an aspirant would need, everything is available in this GATE 2027 Titans batch. There is another batch which is Pathfinders batch. So here that one-to-one mentorship is not there. Complete video lecture you will be getting, lecture PDF, printable notes you will be getting, PYQs and their solution you will be getting, and doubt solving group you will be getting. So here there will not be any post-gate guidance, there will not be any test series, or these features will not be available. Okay, basically these features will not be available in the Pathfinders batch. Is that understandable to you? And here the validity will also be till 31st March. So basically this is for the dropper student actually, those who are taking a drop, no? So those who are taking a drop, that means they have already prepared for gate examination. So they already know what I need to do after the gate examination, how to fill up the gate form and everything. So they already know everything, right? So dropper student who have already prepared for gate examination. So those guys don't require anything else. Those guys only require the content, video lectures, PDF, lecture PDF, printable notes PDF, PYQs and doubt solving group. This much they require. So this is for those Pathfinders batch guys. Okay, and these are our prices. So Raksha Bandhan offer is going on as of now. So this video will be posted on 27th of August, right? On 27th of August at 11 AM I will upload this video. At 11 AM or probably at 10 AM I will upload this video. So this promo code will be applicable till 29th of August. Okay, I will keep it applicable till 29th of August. So till this point what you can do is that you can watch these videos, you can see our content, that what is the depth of our content. It's just that I'm saying that I teach very good doesn't mean that you should be coming to our course. You should be watching that depth of the content, that how he is teaching, am I able to match my frequency with him or not, will I be able to understand if he is teaching me or not. Okay, so all the courses I am taking for GATE EC, all the courses has been taken by me. EDC, engineering mathematics, digital electronics, everything is taken by me. Okay, and you see the quality, this kind of quality I can surely assure you that you are not going to get anywhere else. So you can see the quality and you can think of preparing with us. So this promo code is applicable till 29th of August. You decide, and these are the prices, minimum possible prices we have kept. Titans batch in roughly around 8,489 rupees, Pathfinders in 5,239 rupees. These are the placement courses and these are the courses for GATE 2028. Is that understandable to you? Okay, so these are the prices you can see, and this is the promo code which is Rakhi, RAKHI, Rakhi. This Rakhi promo code you can apply and you will be able to get the maximum discount till 29th of August. So in 2 days you can check out the quality and then you can decide whether you should go with the course or not. Otherwise, you can study from YouTube or some other coaching institute as well. Is that clear to you? So yeah, this was the complete roadmap for GATE 2027 EC, guys. Now we are going to discuss for GATE 2027 electrical. But again, after a break, I will drink some water and then we will come back and we will discuss for GATE 2027 electrical roadmap for next 150 days. Yeah, so now we will discuss the roadmap for electrical, guys. Okay, so we will break down our roadmap in 4 parts: 60 days, 20 days, 40 days, and then 30 days. So these 4 parts will be there: how to watch the video lectures, how to solve the PYQs, and everything, test series, everything we will discuss. Okay, so let's get started. Let's see the phase 1. The first phase will be of 60 days, and in those 60 days, we are covering signals, maths, and network analysis. These 3 subjects will be our target. What we will get started with? We will get started with the signal system and engineering mathematics. Both subjects are very important for electrical, guys. All 3 subjects are very important for electrical students. So we will get started with the signals and mathematics. Understandable? So 3 hours to each subject we will give. Now what will happen is that after 40 days, after roughly around 40 days, your signal system will be done. Signals and systems will be done. And mathematics will be going on. Mathematics will not be done, it will be going on. But signal system will be done. So after 40 days, what you will do? You will take up network analysis. So initially, signals and maths, then signals will be done, then network and maths. Okay. So in 60 days, our target would be that we complete these 3 subjects, but 2 subjects at a time we will take. First, signals and maths. Once signal is done, we will get started with the network and maths. Is that understandable to you? Now, how to solve the PYQs? So in signal system, there are 2 parts. When you study signal system, there are 2 parts. First part is continuous time domain and second part is discrete time domain. Being an electrical student, this part is not very important. But this part is very important. So what you will do is that in signal system, first you will complete this part. Once this part is done, after that you will solve its PYQs. When this part will be done after Laplace transform. So first chapter will be basics of signals, then second chapter would be basics of systems, then there will be Fourier series, Fourier transform, and then Laplace transform. So first 5 chapter will be done. After that you will solve the PYQs of these 5 chapters. After that there will be jet transform, DTFT, DTFS. These 2 chapters will be there. So you will cover those 2 chapters and then you will solve its PYQs. Is that understandable to you? So first continuous part, then the PYQs, then discrete part, then the PYQs. This is the plan for signals and systems. In mathematics, you will solve the PYQs chapter wise. First chapter, linear algebra, then solve the PYQs. Next chapter, calculus, then solve the PYQs. Next, probability, then solve the PYQs. Next, differential equation, then solve the PYQs. So chapter wise, you will solve the PYQs in mathematics. In network, what you will do? Again, in network, there will be 2 parts, DC part and AC part. So first you will cover the DC part. In DC part, what will come? First chapter would be basics of network analysis, second would be network theorems, and third would be transient analysis. So once this DC part is done, once this part is done, you will solve the PYQs. After that, you will move to AC part. In AC part, there will be phasors, resonance, quality factor, power factor, all these topics would be there. 2-port network will also be there. So you will cover those AC part and then you will solve the PYQs. So PYQ strategy is clear. How to solve the PYQs, that is clear. Sir, from where to solve the PYQs? So we have a free PYQ website, right? We have this free PYQ website. You simply need to go to you simply need to go to your browser and type pyq.prepfusion.in. You will get this particular website and here all the PYQs are available. Ideally, we should solve the PYQs of all the branches. Let's just say mathematics is there in EC and instrumentation as well. So you should solve the PYQs of all the possible branches. Same goes with signal as well, same goes with network as well. But we are only having 150 days. In those 150 days, you will be able to solve the PYQs of your own branch only. So when I am saying you need to solve the PYQs of your own branch, which is electrical. So PYQs of your own branch you will be solving. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay, as of now we don't have much time, so only electrical PYQs we are going to solve. Okay, so now what will be our target completion? That after 60 days, what we are targeting? That sir, I will be done with the video lectures of signal system, engineering mathematics and network analysis. This is the first thing that I am targeting. Along with that, sir, I would have revised the notes as well. Sir, which notes? So you will be studying from the printable notes. These kind of notes we provide, right? These kind of notes we provide. So these notes will be there. What you can do is that you can simply go to the printing guy, you can get the printout and everything will be clearly and neatly written in those notes. But sir, this is the first time I am studying from the printable notes. Previously, I used to make my own notes. Sir, how to study with the printable notes? So for that, you go to YouTube and type how to study with the printable notes. You will get a video and there you will understand how to study with the printable notes. There is a perfect strategy for it. You need to have a rough notebook. You need to have the printable notes. The lecture would be going on. There is a perfect strategy, and that strategy I have discussed in a YouTube video. So not as of now. Once this video is completed, you will go to YouTube and type how to study with the printable notes. Also, you don't know how to solve the PYQs, you will go to YouTube and type how to solve PYQs PrepFusion. You will get a video from my side. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay, fine. So this is how we will be studying. So we will be able to watch all the video lectures. We will be able to revise the notes, and along with that, we will be able to solve the majority of the PYQs. It might happen that, sir, in 60 days, I am not able to solve all the PYQs, right? But majority of the PYQs I am able to solve. So this will be our target of 60 days. Sir, from where I can cover network analysis, engineering mathematics, complete course is available. Engineering mathematics, complete course is available. Signal system is not completely available. Some content is not available on YouTube. So you can refer paid courses here, and whatever the free content is available, you can study from here. Now, 60 days are done. After that, next phase would be of 20 days. In those 20 days, you will study the most important subject of electrical engineering, that is electrical machines. Completely available on YouTube from the side of Anish sir. Okay, what you will study? Electrical machines. Only one subject in those 20 days. Electrical machines you will study. You will complete the video lectures. You will solve the PYQs, and along with that, what you will do is that you will keep on revising the previous completed subject. Sir, I have already done signal system, engineering mathematics, network analysis. As of now, sir, I am studying electrical machines. So when you are studying electrical machines, you will solve the PYQs of the previous subject. I told you, there might be some PYQs which you haven't solved. There might be some chapters which you did not revise. There might be some videos which you did not watch. So when you are studying electrical machines, sometime you will take up for the previous completed subject as well. You will solve the PYQs, you will revise the chapters, you will revise the class notes, whatever you want to do, sometime you will give to the previous completed subject as well. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay. Now let's just say, sir, in network analysis, I have solved the PYQs as well. Sir, I have watched the video lectures as well. Sir, I am completely comfortable with network analysis. So once you are comfortable with the network analysis part, once you are comfortable with the particular subject, you have revised the notes, you have solved the PYQs, then you will get started with the test series of that particular subject. Get started with the test series. Sir, video lectures are done, PYQs are done, revision is done. Sir, I need to solve more questions now. Then get started with the test series. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay, fine. So what will be our target completion after 80 days? So sir, after 80 days, I should be done with the network, signals, engineering mathematics, and electrical machines. These 4 subjects, sir, I should be done with. Okay. Minimum these 4 subjects will be coming for 40 marks. Minimum, I am telling. In your GATE electrical examination, these 4 subjects will be coming for minimum 40 marks. They are very, very, very important for you guys. Okay. So video lectures I will be done with. Sir, majority of the PYQs I will be done with. Along with that, sir, I would have get started with the test series as well. This is the target after 80 days. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay. Then, sir, next 40 days, what I will do? Sir, I will cover power systems, power electronics, and EMFT. This is a very simple and short subject, but it is important. Nowadays, it is coming for roughly around 4 marks. For electrical guys, it is coming for roughly around 4 marks. And these two combined, both combined would be coming for roughly around 17 to 18 marks. Both combined, power system and power electronics. So they are also very important. In this window, we are covering the content of more than 20 marks. In those 40 days, we are covering the content of more than 40 marks. So again, comprehensive courses of power system, power electronics, and EMFT. These 3 subjects we will try to cover. What we will do, we will start PSA and power electronics both in parallel. PSA means power system analysis. So we will start power system and power electronics in parallel. What will happen is that after some time, your power electronics will be completed. Okay, in roughly around 25 days, your power electronics will be completed. In roughly around 25 days, your power electronics will be completed. Once power electronics is completed, then you will get started with the EMFT. So initially, I started with the power electronics and PSA. Power electronics is completed. Now I will get started with EMFT. When I am studying these subjects, I will be solving the PYQs of the previous subject. I will be solving the test series. Let's just say, sir, I am completely comfortable with electrical machines. Sir, I have solved the PYQs. Sir, I have revised the class notes. Everything is done. What you will do now? You will get started with the test series. So previous subject test series will keep on going on, revision of the previous subject will keep on going on, PYQ solving will keep on going on for the previous subjects, and new subjects we are currently learning. So after 120 days, what will be my target? After sir 120 days, the target would be that sir, I will be done with 6 comprehensive subjects. What all are those 6? Actually, it is 7 comprehensive. Full coverage of 7 comprehensive subjects. What all are those 7 comprehensive subjects? Network, signals, engineering mathematics, electrical machines, power system analysis, power electronics, and EMFT. These 7 subjects would be of roughly around 65 to 70 marks in your main examination. More than 70 marks, I can say. These 7 subjects would be coming for roughly around 70 marks in your GATE examination. Roughly around 70 marks. Is that understandable to you? So these 7 subjects we will try to complete. In between, in those 120 days only, in between, we will study general aptitude as well. General aptitude. Sir, here you did not mention. General aptitude you did not mention. So general aptitude in small amount we need to study. Let's just say today is the day, sir, I don't feel like studying. I feel like taking a break. Sir, I feel like taking break of 2 days. So let's just say you are taking a break of 2 days. Sir, there is Diwali, so on Diwali I will not be studying, and sir, 3-4 days off I will take. So in those 3-4 days where you are taking off, what you can do is that you can take some time to study general aptitude. So general aptitude as a separate subject you don't need to study. General aptitude will not be treated as a separate subject. In between of your core subjects only you can study general aptitude. So what you will do after this particular video, you will go to YouTube and type how to study general aptitude for GATE, PrepFusion, Himanshu Agarwal. You will get a video. How to study general aptitude for GATE. So there you will get a video and you can see the complete plan of studying general aptitude. So in between you need to study general aptitude. It is not necessary that it will be done in 120 days only. Sir, 30 days more are left. Here also I can practice general aptitude. Is that understandable to you? Okay. Now, after those 120 days, a lot of guys would be saying that now you should not be learning anything new. After only 30 days are left for GATE examination, only 40 days are left for GATE examination. In January month, why you are learning anything new? That is the most baseless thing I have heard. You can learn new things for sure if you have covered the previous thing in a good manner. What students do is that they will be covering the syllabus by November or October, and then they would do, sir, I have completed all the video lecture. Now, sir, I will revise. In December, I will revise. So, sir, I studied network analysis in March month. Now, what I will do in December, I will pick up my notes and I will start studying network analysis. What you will feel? You will feel like that, sir, it is a new subject. Because you studied in March, after that you did not even revise it, and now you are picking up the notes, you will feel like that, sir, most of the things I have forgot. So at that time people will panic. A lot of people will do this thing. A lot of people will be panicking in the month of December and January. But what we are doing, whatever that we have covered, like after 120 days, will you be able to say that, sir, yes, sir, I am completely comfortable with electrical machines. Sir, I am completely comfortable with signal systems. Sir, I am completely comfortable with network analysis, engineering mathematics. Yes, you don't need to revise them again, because what you are doing is that when you are covering these subjects, you are revising the previous subject. No, you are solving the PYQs. You are writing down the test series. Here, when I am studying power system, power electronics, I am solving the PYQs of these subjects along with the previous subject as well. I am writing down the test series as well. So whenever I am learning new things, I am revising the previous things as well. Is that understandable to you or not? That is the most important part of your preparation. So surely you can learn new things, and surely we will learn some new things here. Okay? We will keep on revising the previous things, and some important things we will study from analog, digital, control, and measurements. In your examination in GATE electrical, measurement would come for roughly around 2-3 marks. Analog plus digital would come for roughly around 7 marks, not more than 7 marks. And control system would come for roughly around 8 marks. So all these 3 subjects combined would not be coming more than 20 marks. 20 marks is the highest. All 4 subjects combined would be coming highest for 20 marks. So out of these 20 marks, we will try to get 7 to 8 marks. That would be our target. 7 to 8 marks. Is that understandable to you? Out of those 20 marks, our target would be getting 7 to 8 marks. So some important topics we are going to do. Cover the most important topics. Okay? From these subjects, some important topics we are going to cover. Along with that, we will be revising the previous subject. We will be practicing the general aptitude. We will be writing down the full length mock as well. From mid of January, we will get started with the full length mock, full length test. Is that understandable to you? So sir, 80 marks I have covered comprehensively. Sir, here all these subjects I have covered comprehensively. 80 marks sir I have covered comprehensively. Okay. So can I try getting 60% of these 80 marks? 60% of these 80 marks, that would be 48 marks. 60% of 80, that would be roughly around 48 marks. 7 to 8 marks from here. So surely I can target 55 marks in my GATE 2027 electrical attempt. And these many marks would be good enough. That I can tell you today only. That if you target roughly around 55 marks, in the worst case, 80 marks you have covered comprehensively, 60% in the worst case you would be able to get if you have covered comprehensively and revised the subject, you have written the test series, you have solved the PYQs, that would be more than enough to get 60% out of it. From those 20 marks, some important topics we will cover, we can surely get 7 to 8 marks. Okay. Both combined, roughly around 55 marks I can surely target in my GATE 2027 electrical attempt. If I give 8 to 10 hours daily for next 150 days. For next 150 days, leave everything, just devote yourself for the studies, you will be able to do well. Is that understandable to you or not? Okay. If you want to come to our courses, then you can come. We have Titans batch, we have Pathfinders batch. 2 batches we are having. So everything regarding the batches I have told here. So what you can do is that if you want to know about the batches, then you can go back to the video and you can watch this portion. In the EC portion of this video, I have talked about our courses. I have told what kind of doubt solving we provide, what kind of one-to-one guidance we provide. Along with that, we give these printable notes as well. PDF we will give, printout you need to get on your own. So everything will be available. What kind of quality content is there? So you can watch these videos, right? A lot of content is available on YouTube. So what kind of quality is there, sir? Will I be able to understand from you or not? Sir, what kind of comments you receive? People like your content or not? Or forget about people. Why you need to care about the comments? A lot of fake comments would also be there. No, who knows? I might have hired some PR team and they would be making some fake comments. So forget about those comments. You watch the content on your own, and then you see the quality. You watch the content of engineering mathematics, you see the quality. You watch the videos of transient analysis here, you see the quality. You watch the videos of electrical machines by any transformer, 3-phase transformer. You watch those videos and you will see the quality of the content. Same goes with signal system as well. So watch it on your own. We are currently having an offer. This offer is running till 29th of August. Promo code is Rakhi. You watch the video and then decide whether you want to study from this particular platform or not. So in that manner you can prepare. No matter from whichever the platform you are studying, you will always be my student. So whatever the kind of queries you guys are having, I will try to answer the maximum queries. And yeah, best of luck. But start preparing. That's the bottom line. Today you are watching this video. From today only, let's say I'm watching this video at 1 p.m. Then at 2 p.m. I need to get started. I will start from tomorrow. I will start from that day, this day. I will start from 10 a.m. 12 a.m. Nothing. Just as this video is done, I have asked you to watch some videos like how to solve the PYQs, how to study with the printable notes, and how to study general aptitude. Watch these 3 videos and after that, get started with your studies. Understandable? Okay then? Yeah. Thank you very much. Happy learning.